Hey again, and welcome to another short clip from GT Garage. Now, I've received a couple more parcels in the mail with some more accessories, so I thought I'd do an unboxing here. Now, first one that I got from everyone's favourite. Where are we? Alright, now, reason for these. I wanted to have some lights to be able to illuminate outside of the caravan when I'm reversing, or even just for general visibility outside that I could put on a switch. And these basically will do the job that I need. So if anyone is familiar with rock lights, yeah, okay, there we go. Now, this is the other thing that I like. They're all actually joined on a loom that you can unplug the individual. Sorry, you can unplug the individual lights, but also to run power to them, you just got one main plug, which is fantastic, I think. Don't know how good they'll be, but I mean, if they throw out a little bit of light, that's fine. Yeah, they come with different bases. There's just a flat insulating base. I don't actually know, that one's the one for actually mount them to bars. You can see it's got a little bit of a curve. Okay. So that one can mount to bars, and then the other one that's in there, it's just a flat mount. Probably using the flat mounts. So rock lights from Adventure Kings. Yep, probably cop some flack for them, but hey, if they throw a bit of light out, they'll do. It's not like I'm using them to drive with. Next one. Okay, these are the switch blocks. Okay, this one here, I believe. Yep. So this one will go on the interior. Okay, it's got USB ports, DC volts, gauge. This is what I really wanted for the inside, and then a SIG socket, and then a number of switches. Okay, so those rock lights that I just showed you can be controlled by here. Then I have some light switches for inside, and I have some light switches, I don't know, just for a door light. So probably more switches than I need, but they'll come in handy. There's that one. I didn't even put those stickers on. I don't know why they put them on there, but anyway, there's that one. And then there's another switch block that has a few less switches on it, and this one goes in the kitchen. Now, USB over here, and DC voltage gauge, and a couple of switches on there. Beautiful, just what I need. And obviously the stickers and the mounting gear and everything. So that one will probably go in the kitchen. In the back here, we are in the kitchen. We're working off the kitchen bench at the moment. Not the actual bench, but the position. And the last one is just some clearance lights. So try and get that open. Okay. Childproof, tell you. Okay, so these are just like some clearance LEDs for the sides. So I believe clear ones are the ones that have to go up the top, like on the back, on the sides up here. Anyway, just have them anyway. They're cheap. little bit of gear will come in handy. I know that I haven't looked at the road rules yet, but for a trailer of this height, yeah, you have to have some marker lights. So there's that one. So 2 switch blocks, rock lights, marker lights. That's all for now.